Okay, my friends, I just had biscuits and gravy, the best biscuits and gravy in all Philippines. Ain't that right?
That's right. Come over here and get your biscuits and gravy at Poppy's.
That's right.
Amongst other things, right?
Poppy's Bar and Cheer, the original one. He has a new one up on Walking Street.
Yeah, gonna go down there too.
Okay, I'm gonna go do my visa extension.
Hey man, have a great day. Be careful.
So let's walk down the street. We're gonna walk to a Omega Travel. This is the Red Planet. Oh, there's the jeepney. So I just got back from Thailand. I spent 10 days in Thailand. Thailand is very nice, very modern, especially Bangkok. I really liked it. They have great subways and trains, and the food was excellent in Thailand. The infrastructure was really good, but the problem was the language barrier. It's hard to communicate with people there. So basically, I like Thailand. I really like the food. It was hot there, but if I have to choose what I like better, I like the Philippines better.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I'm good, sir.
And everybody's been asking me this crazy question. Who has the most beautiful women, Thailand or Philippines? And that's very easy. The Philippines. The ladies in the Philippines are much more beautiful, in my opinion. That's my opinion. You got the fence right here, Perimeter Road. This is Angeles, but on that side of the fence is Clark. That's inside the gate of Clark. Another car wash. Hey! Order works. This is a good place to eat right here. Hello, guard. How's your day? So I have to go do my visa extension because when I came back to the Philippines, my tourist visa starts all over again. Even though I've been here for over a year, I had to pay the exit visa, and then when I came back in, it starts all over again. So they give you 30 days on arrival. So now I got to do my first visa extension. I think it's only 29 days. I can't remember. But the people at the agency, they'll get me all right. They always do. always rent a motorbike here or a scooter. Look how they do the ice here in the Philippines. It's heavy?
Yes, sir.
Wow, it's thick, huh?
Yes, sir.
They've been working on this building for a long time. Check out this old Billard sign. Look at that. Hello, hello. Probably already about 100 degrees out here. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Oh, a lot of you guys might remember this old bar, Garfield's Last Stand. It's been here for years and years. Pesos, local drink, can't beat that. Here's the new margarita station. They even got a swimming pool in there. Waitress, 18 to 25 years old, fluent English, pleasant personality. Lifeguard, 18 to 22 years old, good swimmer, looks good in bikini. That'd get you sued in America. This place is really good for breakfast. Joe's Cafe, American style restaurant. It's really good. Okay, we're not too far from the travel agency.